showing you how to create your own DIY headbands using this kit. It's packed with everything you need. Draw a thin line of glue down the centre of the headband. Then get the ribbon and place it on top of the glue. Leave excess on both ends and then tuck the ribbon under and glue it. Wind the ribbon around the hairband like this. And glue the end as before. Attaching these is so easy. All you have to do is slide it up using the elastic loop. And you can always add on glue at the end to secure it. You can even make these bows using the ribbon. Tie the bow and then attach it with a piece of thread onto the headband. These can be glued directly to the headband in any design you like. So guys, that's it. It's so much fun and perfect for a rainy day. You can buy your DIY fashion headband kit off of Amazon now.